Hey there, fellow seekers of wisdom. Welcome back to Stoic Directory. Today, we're diving into something that affects nearly all of us, especially our younger generations. We'll explore how ancient Stoic wisdom can help you fight modern anxiety in our hyper-connected world. Last week, I was scrolling through my feed at 2 a.m., feeling anxious. Notifications were piling up, and my mind was racing. Then I remembered a quote from Marcus Aurelius: "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." This isn't just another self-help video. Today, we're linking ancient wisdom with modern science. We'll show you practical ways to build mental resilience in our digital age. Whether you're dealing with social media anxiety, academic pressure, or feeling overwhelmed, this guide is for you. The digital dilemma. Let's look at some statistics. Studies show Gen Z experiences anxiety 50% higher than previous generations. The American Psychological Association reports 91% of Gen Z adults have stress symptoms. But we're also the most connected generation in history. We're constantly bombarded with information and feel pressure to be on 24/7. Our phones are both our lifeline and prison. The ancient Stoics never faced Instagram anxiety or Twitter wars, but their wisdom is still relevant today. The Stoic solution: enter Stoicism, a philosophy that's a practical toolkit for mental resilience. The Stoics knew happiness comes from mastering our response to events, not controlling them. Epictetus said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." Let's break down 3 core Stoic principles to transform your anxiety. 1. The dichotomy of control. Imagine stressing about your latest post not getting enough likes. The Stoics would ask, what aspects of this situation can you actually control? You can control your content, intention, and reaction, but you can't control others' opinions or algorithm changes. This understanding is liberating. 2. Negative visualization. This might sound strange, but it's powerful. The Stoics practiced visualizing worst-case scenarios. This doesn't increase anxiety, but reduces it. Facing your fears can weaken their hold on you. 3. Present moment awareness. In our distracted age, the Stoics remind us to focus on the present. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Do not disturb yourself by picturing your life as a whole. Rather, ask yourself what nature demands of you now." The science behind Stoicism. Modern neuroscience confirms what the Stoics knew. Research from Harvard Medical School shows mindfulness, a Stoic practice, can rewire your brain's stress response. Dr. Sarah Thompson, a neuroscientist studying anxiety in digital natives, explains, "Seeking validation through social media triggers our brain's reward system in an unsustainable way. Stoic internal validation aligns with healthy neural pathways." Hey friends, if you're finding value in this journey toward mental resilience, consider joining our Stoic community by subscribing to Stoic Directory. Your support helps us create more content that bridges ancient wisdom with modern challenges. Hit that like button if you've ever felt overwhelmed by the digital world. Let's show others they're not alone. Practical applications for Gen Z. Let's get practical. Here are 5 Stoic-inspired techniques you can start using today. 1. The social media audit. Before checking your phone in the morning, ask yourself, is this serving my well-being? Create designated times for social media use, treating it as a tool rather than a default state. 2. The perspective shift. When anxiety hits, practice the view from above. Imagine viewing your current situation from a cosmic perspective. How important will this seem in a week, a year, 5 years, 3? The Digital Dichotomy Journal. Start a daily practice of writing down what you can and cannot control in your digital life. This simple exercise can dramatically reduce anxiety about online interactions. 4. The gratitude redirect. When comparison anxiety strikes, immediately list 3 things you're grateful for. This interrupts the anxiety cycle and reframes your mindset. The Stoic screen time strategy. Use app timers not as restrictions, but as opportunities for practicing self-discipline, what Stoics called voluntary discomfort. Real stories, real impact. Meet Jamie, a 19-year-old college student who was having panic attacks about her academic performance and social life. After implementing Stoic principles, she shares, "I used to think I needed everyone's approval, Now I focus on what I can control, my efforts, my intentions, my responses. It's like a weight has been lifted. Or consider Alex, a young content creator who was burning out from constant comparison. The Stoic idea of focusing on your own path rather than others' opinions literally saved my mental health. I still create content, but with a totally different mindset. The bigger picture. What's beautiful about Stoicism is that it's not about escaping the digital world. It's about engaging with it mindfully and purposefully. It's about building internal strength while staying connected to our external reality. Remember, anxiety isn't a sign of weakness. It's often a sign that you're human, living in unprecedented times. The goal isn't to eliminate anxiety completely, but to build a healthier relationship with it. Moving forward. As we wrap up, I want to share one more thought from Seneca. We suffer more often in imagination than in reality. In our digital age, this hits differently. Most of our anxiety comes from imagined scenarios, digital ghosts that we give power to. You have the ability to reclaim that power. Start small. Choose one Stoic principle to practice this week. Notice how it affects your relationship with technology and anxiety. Share your experience in the comments below. Your story might be exactly what someone else needs to hear. If this video resonated with you, you're exactly why we created Stoic Directory. We're building a community of modern Stoics, supporting each other in navigating these challenging times. Subscribe to join us on this journey and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more practical ancient wisdom for modern life. Remember to share this video with someone who might need it. Sometimes the simplest act of sharing can change someone's entire perspective. Thank you for being here. Remember, your mind is your most powerful tool. Use it wisely, train it daily, and trust in its ability to weather any storm, digital or otherwise. Until next time, stay strong, stay stoic.